can you hear me? Okay, so if you can hear me, please type 1 in the comment. Hello everyone. Hello, can you hear my voice? If you can hear me, please type 1 in the comment. Hello. Okay, hello. Welcome. Alison, hello. Okay, so can you hear me? Okay, so if you can hear me, please type 1 in the comment. Hello everyone. Hello, can you hear my voice? Hello. If you can hear me, please type 1 in the comment. Hello. Okay, hello. Welcome. Alison, hello. Okay, so can you hear me? Okay, so if you can hear me, please so wait a few minutes. Hello everyone. Hello, can you hear my voice? Okay, so if you can hear me, please type 1 in the comment. Hello. Okay, hello. Welcome. Alison, hello. Okay, so can you hear me? Okay, so if you can hear me, please so wait a few minutes. Hello everyone. Hello, can you hear my voice? Okay, so if you can hear me, please type 1 in the comment. Hello. Okay, hello. Welcome. Alison, hello. Okay, so can you hear me? Okay, so if you can hear me, please so wait a few minutes. Hello everyone. Hello, can you hear my voice? Okay, so if you can hear me, please type 1 in the comment. Okay, hello everyone. So can you hear my voice clearly? Okay, your tutor can't help you. So is your tutor from SPOTO? Okay, so wait a few minutes. Okay, so so let's continue. So this friend told his tutor can't help you. So from SPOTO. Okay, so why your tutor say told you they can't help you? So can you share your reasons? Or you can contact our admin. So I will help this situation. So don't worry about it. Okay, so let's continue to share today's webinar. Okay, hello, welcome every friends. So welcome every friends to come to my live rules. If you want to know more the version 1.1 new version about EI Lab, you can stay in our seminar. Okay, so let's continue to share about new requirement of CCIE EI Lab. Okay, hello buddies, thank you for coming to my live room. I'm SPOTO CCIE tutor and welcome to join me today. So everyone is welcome to enter our live broadcast room. So welcome every friends. Okay. Yeah, so if you have any problems, you can contact admin. So I will help your situation. So don't worry about it. Okay. So as you can see from the screen, here is the timeline of today's schedule. I will discuss Cisco CCIE Lab Exam overview and analyze the CCIE EI version 1.1 Lab new requirement and the CCIE EI Lab past tips and the service package. Of course, test-taking techniques will be included, so don't miss this. Stay tuned and join. Okay, so this webinar is $199, and now you can learn it free. Yes, it's free, but exclusive for SPOTO learners. Okay, so let me introduce myself. Have you known me before? Okay, have you known me before? Okay, so as I'm your SPOTO CCIE tutor, so this is my I number. I belong to SPOTO Gold Instructor. So I'm proficient in Cisco and the Huawei datacom technologies, and 5 years of experience in after-sales technical support from manufacturers, and 2 years of project management experience. So in my CCIE journey, I achieved my CCIE certification in just 2 months. So if you want to get your CCIE certification like me, you must follow my standards. I will be strict with you. So, okay. So, okay. So, yeah. Okay. So you can contact a tutor, and I will know your situation later. Okay. Okay. Thank you. So, maybe this friend has different situation, but I must emphasize to you. So I know many friends have different situation, but if you want to achieve certification like me, we must be responsible for you, and we are strict with you. So you need to follow our standards. Okay. So let me continue. Let me continue to make a brief introduction of CCIE first. So let's move into a CCIE overview. Before the introduction, I would like to let you see our CCIE holders' latest pass report. Yes, we have April pass now for CCIE EI Lab version 1.1 Lab. Hurry to join us and be CCIE EI certified easily. So if you want to achieve CCIE EI certification, you can join me. And if you want to add a CCIE check, wireless or DC, you can also follow our SPOTOs, and we will help you to achieve CCIE certification in one time. So 2,300 plus IE from SPOTO. So the success story you can repeat. Do you want to be CCIE expert like them? Yes, so let's get CCIE certified with SPOTO like me in 2024. So now let's unlock the parsing secret one by one. Yeah, that's right. So if you want get CCIE certification, you can join me now. Okay, so let me make brief introduction of CCIE first. Okay, welcome friends to come to my live room. Okay, so I see so many friends join our seminar. So which CCIE track do you want to pursue? Okay, CCIE, EI, or wireless, or DC. Okay, so which CCIE track do you want to pursue? Okay, you can leave your comment below. Okay, so let me make brief introduction of CCIE first. So the Cisco Certified Internet Network Expert CCIE credential is one of the most prestigious networking certification in the world issued by Cisco, and it is meant to identify top network engineering experts. So employers see CCIE as one of the most influential networking certification a network engineer can have. So you must pass both a written exam and the practical lab exam to obtain CCIE certification. So with CCIE, you can take your place as a technical leader. Technology areas include wireless security, enterprise infrastructure, and DC service provider, wireless security, and collaboration. So which CCIE track do you want to pursue? Okay, so do you have passing report? Okay, you can see this report from April. Okay, April, we just have student pass the CCIEI. Okay, so need EI. Okay, you book exam on June. Okay, so you can contact our tutor to get the material to learn. Okay, so can you learn the new version if you pay today? So can you told me have you booked the exam? Okay, have you booked the exam? So we must secure the material in safety. Okay. When can you learn the version 1.1? Okay, it depends on your exam time. Okay, and if you want to learn the new version, it depends on your exam time and your learning quality. If your learning quality is not good, so we can't advise, we can't suggest you to take the exam. Okay, so when your exam time, okay, so when the exam time you have booked. Okay, so you can reply later, and let me continue. So, which CCIE track do you want to pursue? Enterprise infrastructure or security or collaboration? So, which CCIE track do you want to get? I see so many friends want to get the enterprise infrastructure. Okay. So what time? Can you tell me what time your book? Okay, so I know enterprise infrastructure is the foundation of other CCI track. So enterprise infrastructure is very popular among network engineer. Okay, so don't hesitate to give our webinar a sign up. Join the study group and stay tuned to get huge gift. So if you want free EI lab demo, you can contact our admin during the live. You can contact our admin to get the latest demo. I know this. I know this friend. So you have booked the exam in June, so you can contact the admin and you can contact your tutor to get the material. Okay. So if you have booked the exam and your exam time is in June, you can contact tutor to get the latest material to practice. Okay, can you understand? Okay, so let me continue. So CCIE is widely considered the industry highest level IT certification program, so commonly referred to as the decade of networking. So it equips candidates with excellent internet working skills that are simply the best in the industry. So, however, do you know the CCIE survey? Okay, so let's see the CCIE average survey in USA 2023 for an example. The average CCIE survey in the USA is $146,000 per year, and you can see from the right chart there are huge gaps for salary between certified and non-certified professionals. People with CCIE certified earns almost 20%. 20% than the non-certified. So you can get the idea of why CCIE is so popular. So I think many of you want to get CCIE certified due to this high salary, but the problem is how to get it right. It is a difficult exam by yourself, so you don't worry about it. We will help you prepare for the lab exam well. Okay, so the entry-level job titles in the industry for a Cisco a certified internet network expert include network engineer, network architecture, and the Cisco engineer. So the mid and the senior level designation for CCIE certified professionals include Cisco consultant, senior security engineer, and the CCIE system engineer, and so on. So according to the pay scale, the salary for different job titles varies based on years of experience, countries maybe, but it can be ensured that there are huge potential for CCIE certification holders and great salary enhancement for CCIE networking professionals. Okay, so CCIE has provided us with many opportunities for employment and job hopping to earn high salary. Okay, so let's go to the next part. How to obtain the CCIE certificate. You need to pass one core exam and one practical lab exam. So let's move to the CCIE exam overview first. CCIE Enterprise Infrastructure Certification validates your skills with complex enterprise infrastructure solutions. To get CCIE Enterprise Infrastructure Certified, you have to pass two exams. One is the CCIE written exam, and this exam tests a candidate's knowledge of implementing core enterprise network technology. Okay, and after passing the written test, you can take the second module test. The second is the hands-on lab exam, covering enterprise network through the entire network lifecycle, from designing and deploying to operating and optimizing. So now let's move to the lab part. As you know, that the EI lab has updated to version 1.1. This exam is 8 hours. 8 hours total with the first module being designed being 3 hours and the second module being 5 hours. So you will be tested on varying technologies and solutions listed in the exam topics throughout both modules. So alright, we have talked about lots of CCIE lab exam overview. So now let's go deep into the key point today, CCIE EI version 1.1 lab new requirement. Okay, so this part is very important for you to take the exam. Okay, so we want to get CCIE lab version 1.1 demo. Okay, you can contact our admin to get the latest demo. Okay, so let me show the CCIE version 1.1 lab new requirement to you. Okay, so if you want to get the 100% real CCIE lab, CCIE lab passing tips and study material, 100% real IT exam depth, IT exam latest news, updated exam tips, and the community support. So just scan the QR code to join the group for more study guides. Okay, so if you want the latest demo and if you want other IT demos, you can scan this QR to get the latest material. Okay, so what I want to share with you today is the topic that everyone is most concerned about. EI Lab new version. Okay, so we can see that this topology is the EI Lab version 1.1. It is not much different from the old version. Okay, I want to know your situation before. So have you took an exam about version 1.0? Okay, have you took an exam in 2023 for about version 1.0? Okay, if you took an exam about the version 1.0, you can reply. You can reply one in the comment. Okay, so let's know your situation. Okay, so if you didn't took the exam about this version, you can reply 0. Okay, so have you took the exam about the version 1.1? Okay, so have you took the exam about the version 1.0? Version 1.0. Okay, so if you didn't, you have took an exam about the version 1.0. Okay, so I will know your situation later. Okay, so okay, so if you have took an exam about the version 1.0, so it's very benefit for you to took the new version. Okay, so I want to know this friend. So you just told our tutor can't help you. So have you booked the exam? Okay, can you told me? Okay, so let me briefly show the topology about the new version. So the new version topology is not much different from the old version, except the old topology use the VH, but the new version use the CH. Okay. So let's briefly look at some of the requirements of EI Lab. So you can see this is the HQ category, and this about the DC, IaaS, and these are branch 1, branch 2, branch 3, and branch 4, SP1 and SP2. So you can see this is the complete routing and switching module, which require us to accurately ensure that the phenomena of each requirement can occur normally. So let's see the new requirement about the new version. So can you tell me, so what time you will took the exam? Okay, so can you tell me what time you have booked? Okay, so let me show the requirement first. So you can see this is HQ category. This is branch 3. So you can see HQ and the branch 3. This is branch 3. So in this, the main technical point involved are VLAN. So in this part, you just configure VLANs, and the forwarding are configured on all switches and the switch port according to this forwarding table. So we just need to configure access and the trunk in this part. So this part is very simple. We only need to configure VLANs according to the requirement. Let's see the next part about the layer 2 technology in HQ. So let's take a look at EI Lab requirement in this part. Ensure that the Ether channel links are configured on the switch at headquarter HQ according to forwarding table. So we need to configure the Ether channel and use this protocol to achieve. So the protocol must support a separate instance for each VLAN, and the protocol must support only three possible states. All access port must immediately translation to a forwarding state on link up, and they must still participate STP. Okay, so this part related to STP. So which STP we need to configure? Okay, so switch 101 must be a root bridge for VLAN, for this VLAN, and switch 102 be a secondary. So we need to use the lower possible priority values to achieve this. Okay, so this part not only about the Ether channel, but also we need to configure STP. So which STP we need? STP, RSTP, or MSTP, or PVST. Okay. And switch 101 and 102 must ignore superior BPDU for the other switches at the headquarters. While superior BPDU are received, traffic mustn't be forward on the receiving port. So we need to configure guard route. Okay, guard route. And we also need to configure the port fast in this section. Okay. Okay, so this part is mainly about the Ether channel and the STP. So can you know the answer about STP types? Okay, so let's see the next part. The third part is about first hop redundancy protocol in HQ. For IPv4, we need to implement FHRP on switch 101, and 102 for VLANs, for these two VLAN, VLAN 2000 and 2001. So this subnet and the gateway and the DHCP server. Okay, so let's see the requirement in detail. Use a protocol that sends hello message by using a multicast address of this and support up to the 4096 group. So which protocol belong this? VRRP or HSRP or GLBP. Okay, so which protocol belong this? Can you know the answer? Okay, can you know the answer about this? HSRP, VRRP, or GLBP. Okay, so group member for each VLAN must match the respective VLAN ID. Switch 101 must be active and have priority of 10 above the default. Okay, so the default priority is 100. Okay, 100. Okay, so switch 102 must be standby and have the default priority. Both first hop gateway switches must transition to an active if their priority becomes superior. Both first hop gateway switches must generate ARP for VLAN by using the MAC address of their respective interface. DHCP requests received by both first hop gateway switches must have the circuit identifier added automatically to a message. Okay. So can you know the answer? HSRP, VRP, or GLBP? Okay, so these are about our first hop redundancy protocol in HQ. Okay, so let's continue to show the next part about the intra-site routing. Okay, I will know your situation. I will know your situation later. Okay, if you have booked the exam in June 11, I will help you. Okay, so let's see the next part about this. So, you can see lists about the DC and the HQ and the DC category. So we need to ensure that OSPF is configured for IPv4 inter-site routing between all layer 3 non-SD1 router at headquarters and the DC center according to forwarding requirement. All the OSPF neighbor in the DC and the HQ must be fully established. So we need to configure the OSPF between DC and the HQ. Okay. And the OSPF must be enabled on all interface except for the following. Okay, so in this part, you need to note that if the configuration is correct, but the OSPF neighbor isn't established successfully, try to close the interface and open it again. It may be a bug about this category. Okay, so you don't worry about it. I will help your situation. So, who plan? Okay, so if you want to plan exam in CCIE in July, okay. So do you want to plan the exam in July? In July, SPOTO has many students to take the exam. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, so this part is about the branch 3. Branch 3 is configured with the IGP to enable route propagation from the LAN into one. So the solution must meet the following requirement. Branch 3 must be use an EIGRP. This branch use the EIGRP name mode by using a process name CCIE and this AS number is 65006. Okay, branch 3 must use the EIGRP MD5 authentication. So we need to use the EIGRP authentication for all LAN facing peering. And this is the key chain. And all subnet must be advertised to EIGRP. Don't use redistribution. Use a single command to advertise all subnet. Okay. And let's see the next part about the NPL's underlay. So this is the SP1 category. So we need to configure SP1 to meet the following requirement. We need to verify OSPF. So the underlay use the OSPF protocol is configured on this router. Router 1, router 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And neighborship are found on all the internal facing links of global service provider 1. And we also need to ensure that label switching NPL's LDP is configured for the SPOTO for the service provider 1. All router must be used loopback 0 as the LDP router ID, and there must be no no type 2 LSA in any of the router LSDB. So, do you know what we need to configure? No type 2 LSA in this category. The LSA in service provider 1 mustn't contain information about any traced links. Okay. So can you know the answer about this? Okay, so from this module, the difficulty of EI Lab is gradually increases, but it's simple. Learn the old version. Okay, so this part, let's continue to show the MPLS overlay. So we need to configure router 3, 4, 5, 6 are provider edge. So these are PE router. These are PE router. The PE router must exchange VPN v4 route with each other without using a route reflector. So we can't use the route reflector in this category. So this means that BGP neighbors need to be established with each other. And the PE router must import and export all originating router to a VRF routing table. So the PE, so we need to know the PE need to import and export all route into the VRF. So we need to corresponding the RT. Route target need to be configured on the PE. And router 3 must have 5 active BGP peers. Ensure that router 1 and router 2 are P router. Okay, so ensure BGP session using the password. So we need to configure BGP authentication about the password. Okay, so these are the requirement of the routing and the switching. So you know it's very simple than the old version. So, but if you want to know more completed a requirement about the routing and switching, you can contact our admin to get a completed demo. Okay, so if you want to get a latest demo about version 1.1, so please type a lab demo in the comment room. So how many of you want to get a updated demo? Okay, so if you want to get a latest demo, you can type a lab demo in the comment. Okay, so how many of you want to get a latest demo? I know many of our friends want to know the CCIE lab demo, so you can join the group and contact our admin to get free demo. Okay, so we have talked lots about the EI exam topics and the techniques on preparing for the CCIE lab. I think you must wonder how to pass the CCIE EI lab exam in less time. So if you want boost salary, it is the best time to choose the SPOTO CCIE lab package, which can help you pass in 3 months. So now let me tell you the passing secret with SPOTO step by step and our EI lab service package. Okay, so first, EI lab has 2 modules including design and the DOO. Design is very simple for SPOTO students because we have complete information to provide students. So this part is very simple for our students. We mainly talk about the DOO. So SPOTO has clear practice standard for students. For example, it is recommended to complete a deal within 3.5 hours, but in our new version, we need to complete deal within 3 hours. So before recommending students to take the exam. So for example, routing, switching, and SDN each need to be complete within 1 hour. And secondly, the reg practice environment we provide for everyone is very sufficient. You can flexibly arrange your spare time to practice through the cloud. The most important thing is that our practice environment is basically the same as the examination room, so you don't worry about your practical difficulties. Our practice environment will separate routing, switching, and SDN programming, and finally we'll have this fusion experiment. What you see is the routing, switching, and the SDN programming. So you will get the unique routing and switching reg practice permission, and when you complete the practice, we will help verify your overall practice quality, and we will tell you where there are deficiencies to improve. So this is the SDN, which is 99% identical to test room. So you can play your own practice time and adapt to the test room environment for practice in advance. And when you meet the exam standards, we will help review your practice process to ensure the quality of your practice. Okay, so here I would like to briefly introduce our service process and what you can get if you choose CCIE lab training course. First of all, we provide one-to-one service at a VIP level, distribute lab solution. All study material that are the same as the exam content. We provide reg exercise. The reg includes LS and the configuration. So if you encounter any problems, we will help you. So we will provide the sprint plan for you, matters needing attention in the exam. So we will make sure you pass the CCIE in one time in the exam. So you can see here is the CCIE lab service package, and you can take a look at it. We provide 3 months service time, so you will have enough time to practice. And it's including material, workbook and solution, and reg, routing, switching, and SDN. So you need to note we have 100 hours about the SDN, but I know in other vendor they only has 60 hours, and we also will provide virtual reg for you to practice routing and switching, but other vendor will require you to install EVE-NG, so it will consume your local computer. But in SPOTO, no, you don't consume your local computer, and no limit about the routing and switching. Okay, and we also will show the latest exam feedback from our SPOTO students. Okay. So it's very benefit for you to achieve the CCIE exam in SPOTO. Okay, so this is our study plan for everyone to pass the CCIE iLab exam at one time. So you need to learn routing and switching about 3 or 4 weeks, and 1 month about the SDN. So you can practice routing and switching from SPOTO regs. No need to consume your local computer, practice anytime, anywhere. So if you have complete, we will help you to verify your quality. And after confirming that you meet the latest standard, you will enter the SDN stage. And the second, we will learn the SDN solution and the and we will provide reg permission, and we will check your quality. So programming is the same. And the last is design. Design is very simple. It's just about the choice. Okay. Okay, so I must emphasize to you. So our tutor want told they can't help you. So I will know your situation later. So you don't worry about it. So you can trust me. So if you can follow our tutor standards, we must help you to pass the CCIE exam. But if your quality is not good, we can't advise you to take the exam. Okay, so you don't worry about it, and we must ensure that you have good quality about the practice, and you can follow our tutor's arrangement. Okay, so I will know situation later. So everyone, you don't worry about our quality. Okay, so let me continue to share about the preparation tips for CCIE. So you need to you need to know the lab requirement and the provisioning, and understand the provisioning requirement for each device. Second, practice the lab content in module. Analyze the routine data clearly. So, identify weak points through module exercise, summarize the fault and the problems you encounter, share your troubleshooting idea with your tutor. So completely practice the lab version without referring to a solution to improve proficiency and accuracy. So last, you need to contact tutor for periodic quality inspection to verify your own shortcomings and consolidate them. Communicate with tutor and be able to follow the tutor's test preparation suggestion. Okay, so you can see these are feedback from other candidates. So you can see our solution is very stable. It's matched exactly. The design and DOO are the same. So all the questions are the same. So solution is stable. So you can see our friend will, if you choose SPOTO, you will appreciate our tutor. So if you want to get a CCIE, we will help you, and we will be strict with you. We will be strict with you. So we already have students pass the CCIE EI lab exam. Okay, so we use professionalism and the service to win the trust of our customer. Okay, so if you want to boost salary and build a brand new career, so it is the best time to choose the SPOTO CCIE lab package, so which can help you pass in 3 months. So and you can practice new version if you buy today. Okay. Okay, so if you want to get a new version, you mustn't miss today's chance. So in today's live sale, you can enjoy a low price than usual. So the original price is $2,000. So now the lab service only need $1,400, so you can save $600. So you mustn't miss today's chance. So please check a link on the comment room in the live chat section to enjoy my exclusive offer for you. So you can order now. So it's really lowest price. So friends who like lunch should hurry up because this price won't be offered after 24 hours. It will return to $2,000. Okay, so also the most important thing is that if you order today in the live sale, you can get a CCIE lab exam guide on how to tackle CCIE exam step by step, which are collected by CCIE experts based on candidate exam feedback, as well as useful tips for exam passing. So everyone should read it before taking the exam. Now it's free for anyone who make the order today. So hurry to book now. If you book today, you can get the latest feedback from our candidate. Also, if you want other CCIE check, you can also buy at a reasonable price for security DC service provider or wireless. It's only need $1,450. So it's really the lowest price. Friends who like lunch should hurry up because this price won't be offered after 24 hours. It will return to $2,000. Okay, so friends who like lunch should hurry up. Don't miss today's chance. Okay, so also if you want CCDE lab and written exams, we have huge sale for CCDE as well. The 100% pass written exam is $300 and the CCDE lab is $1,700 only. So latest pass for CCD in April. Okay, you can see in April. So you can save a lot today. Please grab it as soon as possible before it ends in 24 hours. Okay, so I know you are almost certain that you can trust us. So if you have any other questions, welcome to communicate with me. Okay, so let me summarize today's webinar. Okay, so today I show the passing report about the CCIE enterprise. So if you want get the CCIE EI certification, you can join me now, and we will help you to achieve the CCIE EI. So if you want to get a CCIE EI certification, you can book the exam time first, because now in May or June or July, the seat will be nervous. So if you plan to take the exam, so you can book the exam first. But don't pay. Don't pay within. But don't pay. So if you want to pay, you can contact tutor to test your quality. Okay, and next part is about the routing and switching requirement. So if you want a latest demo, you can contact our admin to get a latest demo. Okay, so So if you want to get the CCIE certification, you mustn't miss today's chance. Okay, so do you have any other problems? Okay, I will help you. I will know your situation later. Okay, so if you want the proxy exam, you can contact our admin. Okay, so do you have any other questions? If you have no further questions, today's webinar is coming to an end. Okay, so if you have no further questions, today's our webinar is coming to an end. So if you want to get more gems or material, you can contact our admin. You can join the study group. You can join this study group about this. Okay, to get more material, more passing report. Okay, so I hope my explanation on CCIE iLab new requirement preparation tips as well as the SPOTO CCIE service package can help you to know why you can choose SPOTO and why we can help you pass CCIE lab fast. So let's get CCIE certified in 2024 so you can practice new version now. And don't forget to follow me and see you next time. Okay. Bye bye.